Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In 1911, Niels Bohr earned his PhD in Denmark with a dissertation on the electron theory of metals. Right afterwards, he went to England to study with J.J. Thomson, who had discovered the electron in 1897.
Take our lead.
Protons and neutrons. Right now, our best evidence says that there are particles inside of neutrons and protons. Scientists call these particles quarks. Our best evidence also shows us that there is nothing inside of an electron except the electron itself.
Take our lead.
The order of the electron orbital energy levels, starting from least to greatest, is as follows: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p. Since electrons all have the same charge, they stay as far away as possible because of repulsion. For example, the 2p shell has 3p orbitals.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.